What's up, guys? Time to complete this Pokemon 151 set. Still need quite a few cards. I hit Charizard and Blastoise EX, two the most valuable cards, twice already, so it's good to have it for trade. So this is a booster bundles. It's like $39 on eBay, $45 on Amazon. It comes with the 6 packs. I have hit a Charizard and Blastoise in one of the packs in one of these products, so it is pretty decent hits in this kind of booster bundles. Not always. In the beginning there, like when I start opening, I had terrible luck and then it just picked up. But yeah, let's see what we got. We'll need this one, Voltor. Definitely need that card to finish up our set, but we need an reverse holo. Okay, pretty sure I have that one. Our box EX, hitting them like all the time, but it's good. First hit, I have like maybe 6 of them, 7. It is about $1 card, that's it. All these bulk cards, maximum like 5 to 10 cents. All of this, they're not valued much money because it's just so many of them there. I might need that one. Okay. Ooh, Machamp reverse holo. I think I need that. And Starmie holo and Fire Energy with 1, 2 swirls. 4 swirls like that would make it the best, but so far 2 hits. I guess people usually don't count the energy cards as a hit, but our box honestly costs the same or less. So I kinda count energy, because I could sell like a 12 energy cards like in this kinds in a bundle pretty easily. Ooh, Alakazam EX. I already have that one. This is a right here $20 card. That is awesome hit right here. Wow, I've been having a really good luck with Pokemon 151. That's why I've been keep opening them. So it is not what we need, but what we need is actually cheaper, so I can go to a Pokemon store and trade it. I need War Turtle, that is kind of like a most expensive, and I need the what do you call that, Charmeleon and Charmander full art, and a Charizard EX. Oh wow, my choke. How many hits are we getting right here? Back to back. That's a big hit right here too. At least like $10 card, I think, full art. That is awesome. But Alakazam EX is definitely harder hit. Not what I need though, but again, those are very tradable. People need those. I'm just getting lucky out here. Squirtle, Bigatone, Charmeleon. Can we have a full art Charmeleon? Morowak. Pretty sure I need that. I already had Cubone. I need Morowak to complete my set. That's great. Vidal. Might need a reverse holo, yeah. That's cool. Oh, nice. Basic energy. Wow, that is insane amount of hits. We only have 1 swirl, so 4 swirls will be the best. Can we have one more hit? This is a 6 pack. We got it here like 5 hits including this, but it's not including energy. That's 3 hits out of 5. Amazing. Okay, let's see. I've been watching Pokemon. Oh, I need that one to put it into my set. I've been watching the original Pokemon with my kids. Oh wow, definitely need all this. And it's been fun. Yeah, they're enjoying that. So yeah, we have quite a few cards to put away into the binder. Let's see what we got. And yeah, that's going to fill up the binder quite a bit. We didn't hit anything in this full arts that I needed, but I cannot be upset because this side here around $30 between this one and this one. So that's amazing. 151 has just been so lucky for me, and I already filled up all of the full arts like shiny energies, so I'm just building up a lot of like, I don't know, 14, because that's how many, 14 energies, maybe 15 energies in playing deck. And some people want to have exactly the same cards, shiny ones, versus like let's see, where is it, like a regular energy. It's not as cool, but if you have a playing deck and you're playing, let's say, fire, and all of your energies are shiny, it's kind of fun to look at while you're playing the game. Plus everybody need at least a couple for the collection too. Very cool. Yeah, so let's put it away into the binder, see what we got, see how far along we got with the set. This is the Charizard that I need. It's not a very expensive, but yeah, a couple of upgrades out here. Widow, reverse holo, so that's it. Quite a few more reverse holos I need, so I should just look to make sure. Yeah, pretty much all of the reverse holos I need. I have them somewhere. I just like, okay, I need a whole bunch more packs to open up, so I might as well fill it in as I go instead of looking for them. So let's see what we got here. This reverse holo that I already have for the Dido is kind of different. Or am I not seeing stuff? Yeah, it is much different. I don't know. Kind of like this one better, because the deeper the colors are. So I'm gonna switch it out. Keep them going. I already have that one actually. I need electrode. Cannot believe that I don't have electrode already. So keep on going. Alright, this one is going to upgrade. That's good. Lopus. Alright, hopefully I didn't miss any more. Let's see. Okay, Erica Invention is gonna get a reverse holo now. Sweet. And this one's just finally came in the same pack. Put it in here. Oh, you know what, I forgot this one. Where's the Cubone? Right here. Awesome. So this is what it looks like. We have a few missing let's see, cards over here. War Turtle. No. Yeah. Charmeleon, Charmander, and then War Turtle on this page. Which is quite expensive. That would be $45 in cards. Then we have the Machoke. What is missing right here? Let's see. This one, Psyduck we need, and let's see, we need Mr. Mine, and then this one, Dragoneer. That'd be a cool card to get, and a whole bunch over here like Venusaurus. I have Charizard and Blastoise, and I need all of this. 1, 2, 3. Wow. So quite a bit of way to go, but the cool part is I already have all of the hard to hit cards right here, and that's my second one right here, so we'll take it any day. Those are like top 5 cards to hit in a set. So that's my progress. Oh yeah, the energies, shinies are in here. I don't know what to put over here yet.